Start here.
Are you getting started?
Yeah.
Okay, Becker, can you look in the thing? Say hi, Nana. Hi, Papa.
Hi, Nana. Hi, Papa.
No. Look there. Look there. Turn around. Say hi, Nana. Hi, Papa. Can you wave?
Hi, Nana. Hi, Nana. Hi, Nana. Hi, Papa.
Say I love you.
Hey, Boo.
Okay, look, they got you a gift. Shall we open this?
Yes.
Okay, you ready?
Ready.
Come here. Becker, can you help Mama? This is from who? Nana and Papa? This is from Nana and Papa.
Nana, Papa. Nana, Papa.
Yes. Don't you love Nana and Papa?
Look, the ball. The ball.
Yes.
Yes, the ball. Ball.
Becker, come here, sweetie.
What's that? Hey. We got the basketball.
Becker, can you open this?
I got baseball and basketball. I got the baseball bat.
Okay, Becker, can you open this? Oh, okay. Can we open this? Can you help Mama? Becker. Becker, don't you want to open this gift?
Rum.
No. Let's not hit.
That's not rum.
But we're going to open this. It's a present. It's a surprise. Well, I don't know if this is working out, Mom. Sorry. Here, Becker, do you want to open this?
Yes.
Okay, come here. You ready?
Here.
Okay, hang on. Ready?
I got Papa.
This is from Papa. This is from Papa and Nana. Can you say hi to them?
Hi, Nana, Papa. Hi, Nana. Hi, Papa.
Do you miss Nana and Papa?
Hi.
You do. Can you say I miss you, Nana?
Nana.
And Papa too.
Yes. Whoa.
Okay. Can we read this? Okay, ready, Becker? Look at the stickers. Ready? For our little pirate, Beck Quim. Now you don't have to worry about where your pie hat is, because Nana and Papa made sure you had your own. We even added a little label on the back so everyone who sees you knows that Beck is a pirate just like his Papa. We love you so much. Arrgh! Can you go arrgh?
Arrgh.
Okay, you ready?
We're pirate.
Oh, look at this. What's this?
Purse.
What is this?
Purse.
Can you open it?
Whoa.
Oh, what is this?
The pirate hat.
Look, it says pirates. Can you stick it on? Put on your head. Can you look at the camera? Becker, look at the camera.
The pirate hat.
Yeah, can you put on your pirate hat? Arrgh!
Where's the pirate? Where's the pirate?
Where's the pirate what?
Where's the pirate?
Oh, you just gotta put on your hat. Put on your hat and go arrgh.
Where's the pirate?
That is your pirate hat. This is your pirate hat.
I got the pirate. I got the pirate sword. I got the pirate sword.
Oh, do you want your pirate sword? Here's your pirate sword. Arrgh, matey.
Me.
Can you say, Papa, thank you for the hat. I love it.
Nana, Papa.
Yes, you can say, I love my pirate hat.
You love pirate hat.
It's my favorite.
Love
Can you go, arrgh?
it.
Can you put that back on? Oh,